guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates.
So guys, this is the Hyundai Venue diesel variant 1.5 liter of diesel. So let's start the vehicle and test drive. Very silent on the cabin, but engine sound is very loud on the outside, but inside the cabin is very low. And now I am in the first gear. Total 6 gears on offer. So it's a front wheel drive. Let's launch the car and give a throttle once. First gear and 2500 rpm. It's a small wheel spin on offer. So second gear at 3000 rpm at 60 speed. Steering is heavy on offer, but the Honda, I was expecting Hyundai vehicles will have a smooth steering, but in this vehicle steering is a slightly harder side. Not expectations of high 20 or smoother. So this is a 1496cc engine at 1.5 liter diesel engine. You get total 3 engines on offer, and this is a 1.5 liter diesel engine. 98 bhp of power at 4000 rpm and 240 newton meters of torque at 1500 to 2750 rpm. The torque is massive enough on this car because it's a diesel variant. I like the diesel variant. Manual transmission, 240 newton meters of torque on Hyundai cars. I am very much excited to drive this vehicle because lot of power on offer, but gear shifting is too fast. Manual transmission, and in automatic you get total 7-speed automatic transmission of gear, and manual you get 6-speed. Horn is large enough. I like the Skoda horn on Hyundai vehicles. So steering is some disappointing, some slightly harder side, nothing much difference of that. And vehicle is very nice. Tire profile of the tire is very nice, 16 inches tires. So gear shifting is too fast, rpm meter is too fast raving, and you get total 3 engines. I have said already, one is petrol engine with automatic, and one is diesel engine with manual transmission, one is IMT petrol engine. Total 3 engines on offer we get from the Hyundai, and the price segment is some slighter harder side, nothing much difference compared to Creta and Venue. So as per your requirement you can choose the vehicle. So as per my opinion, I prefer Venue is a better choice. It's a new platform of Hyundai and new vehicle. So, and coming to the fuel capacity, it has 45 liters of fuel tank and massive enough. The mileage of the vehicle in city rides you get lesser because 10 kilometers per liter. It's some slighter lesser side. So in highways you get massive enough like 18 kilometers per liter as Hyundai said. If you fan of a Hyundai vehicles and Venue especially, you can choose. So obviously we should not expect mileage on the Hyundai cars as we know. So 1.5 liter we get other vehicles in the market like Brezza competition, S-Cross in Nexa. So if you want a mileage in city rides, so we should not go to Hyundai. And service cost also some slight side. Suspension is very nice, I can say. When I am saying about suspension, I am thinking and saying because it's in the while you are driving in a city rides, some slighter harder side. When you're in a highways, the suspension is slighter better. So nothing much difference of that, nothing harder and nothing smooth on suspension. Average I can say in suspension, more than average. So I can say better in a perfect word. So dashboard is massive enough. Ground clearance of this vehicle is 190 mm of ground clearance. Massive of ground clearance compared to other vehicles in Hyundai. It is easy to handle, so easily we can handle in the city rides and maneuver it in the city rides. And I'm not getting that enthusiasm of this driving the vehicle. So only I have supporting this vehicle because of the diesel, and the newton meters of torque is 240 newton meters of torque at 1500 to 2750 rpm I said already. And comfort level is very nice on offer. Brakes are also too good, front as a disc and rear as a drum. I forgot to say that it has a 3-cylinder engine and 4 valves per each cylinder. So 3-cylinder engine is massive enough of this, and because of the 3-cylinder, the 240 Newton meters of torque is more and power is more on this vehicle. Who are interested to buy a diesel vehicle of Hyundai, this is a perfect vehicle at CC engine of 1497. If you want a slighter, better and noisy if you want a silent engine of Hyundai vehicles, go to petrol of Venue. So it will be some refined and silent engines on Venue. This is a diesel engine. On outer side we are getting a engine sound some higher side, but in cabin no sounds at all. Nice fit finish of quality of cabin, and only disappointing of this color treatment inside the cabin. I have said in the walk around video, please go and check that video. And nothing much to say of this vehicle. So it's a simple vehicle as we expectations, but compared to i20 is better, I can say. So if you want a ground clearance more, better in size, profile of the tire is more, so you can choose the Venue. And if you want a hatchback vehicle from the Hyundai family, so definitely you can go to i20. So steering should be very smooth on Hyundai cars, but in this vehicle our expectations is disappointing. So not disappointing, it should be some better compared to older Hyundai cars. And the turning radius of the vehicle is 5 meters. So if you want to ride for long journeys and travel for a long, easily we can pick up of this diesel variant of Hyundai, because power is lot on this vehicle. And in city rides, this is not a vehicle to choose. If you want to for better result in city rides, please go to petrol variant or in Venue. So if you want to ride in a highways or long journeys or long rides, you can choose this diesel. Brakes are good performing as we expect. So I was expecting more feel of feedback from the steering, but not getting nothing much of difference of by this. And price is also as we expected, same price. So total 3 engines on offer of this vehicle, and view at the front is very nice. Easily we can ride in the city rides also by this view. And the comparison ratio of this vehicle is around 10:5. So I am giving 10 out of 7 to this vehicle in this test drive. So because of steering, and this is a test drive vehicle of Hyundai Venue. If you like the video, please give thumbs up. If you till not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.